In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a cent account in JustMarkets Global. A cent account is very good for beginners in Forex for them to learn how to trade with little amount of money. So if you have small amount of money such as $10 and you want to use it to trade and learn how your strategies are in a real market, a live market, then a cent account is the best for you. And I am going to show you how to create it in JustMarkets. So in a regular standard account, whenever you are entering a trade, let's say we want to start selling from this point where this green candle is, the tip of that green candle, and we are setting our stop loss at this top. So let me just set this first. So whenever we take our entry here on GBP USD and we set our stop loss at the top here, we will be risking $271 for a standard account. But for a cent account, this same one lot, even if you have $10, you can decide to risk only 50 cents in this trade. You can decide in a cent account that you want to risk only $1 in this same trade, and your entry will still be at this particular point. That is the use of a cent account. With small amount of money, you can still trade, but you are trading in cents. So let me go and show you how the cent account works. So this is a cent account. You can see now that if I am to risk at this particular level and my stop loss will be at this level, the same way that the risk is for the standard account, this one is giving us in cents. So instead of a real $271, you are just risking $2.7 or 278 US cents, which means out of your $10, you are risking only $2.7 in this particular trade. And if you want, you can still adjust this lot size to give you something like 0.1. So let me just delete this one. So if you were to use a lot size that is 0.1 at the same level and stop loss over here, you see it's going to give you 27 cents. This is giving you 27 cents from what you can see here, which means it's not even up to half of a dollar you are risking. So you can keep adjusting the lot sizes here, and with your $10 you can take 100 trades, 200 trades, because it's good for practice on a real account. And the good thing with a cent account is that any profit you make, you can actually withdraw it. So even if you risk just 27 cents and you end up with $2, you can actually withdraw the $2. It's not like a demo account that cannot be withdrawn. So it's a real account, and it helps you with little amount of money. You practice your strategies. So any strategy that you have as a beginner that you want to practice, is best you use a cent account to practice it. So having known the use of a cent account, let me go over to JustMarkets Global now, and then I will show you how to create this type of account on JustMarkets. So you come over to the app and then you click and log into your account. So when you have logged into your JustMarkets account, you are going to the top. You will see a drop down menu here at the top in the middle. Just click on it. Then you are going to see all your real accounts here. Like I told you, a cent account is a type of real account. So click this plus sign to add another real account. So when you click, it brings you to this. You are going to click create real account. If you have never registered or create an account with JustMarkets and you want to know how to register with them and also verify your documents, I have made a video showing you how to go about that. The video will appear at the top right hand corner. So at this particular place, when it brings you here, you are going to select MetaTrader 4, because for just global markets, you do not have a cent account on MT5, because this part you can see clearly we selected MetaTrader 5. So they don't give cent account to MT5. Other brokers that have cent account, they have it available on MT5, but for just global markets, they do not have it on MT5 yet. Okay, so you are going to see it under your MetaTrader 4. Meanwhile, if you want to see other brokers that offer cent account, the video will appear at the top right hand corner, where I analyzed and reviewed 5 brokers that offer cent account, and you can see their advantages and their disadvantages there. So click on this MetaTrader 4 and you will scroll down to the last part, and you are going to see the standard cent account. So you are going to click on the standard cent account, and you can see clearly that the minimum first deposit, the first deposit is $10, and the leverage is 1 to 3,000. So it's very good. So click on it. So the currency is US cent. The leverage, you can click and increase the leverage to 1 to 3,000 if you want. Then set your trading password, where you are going to use it to link to your MetaTrader 4. Okay, so click and add. So when you are done, just click create account. Congratulations, you now have your JustMarkets cent account. And with this account number, this is your ID that you are going to use, your login ID that you are going to use to connect to MT4. And this is the server name, JustMarkets Live 5. Okay, so from there you can click to make a deposit and start trading. When you deposit $10, that's equivalent to 10 times 100, so you have 1,000 cents. If you deposit $5, you have 5 times 100, which is 500 cents. So if you want to see how to make a deposit on JustMarkets, I have made a video about it. It will appear at the top right hand corner. So you can now use this information and connect to your MT4 and start trading. So let us head over to MT4 and use this information and connect it to MT4 and see the available assets, instruments that we have to trade. So come to your MT4 and click to log into your MT4. At the top left hand corner here, click and then come over to manage accounts. Click manage accounts. You are going to see an arrow at the top. Click to add. Then here you are going to click log into an existing account. So we click to log into an existing account. So we are going to use this find broker. We will search. Remember they told us is JustMarkets Live 5. So we will check, this is JustMarkets Live 5. So I will select this one. So that account number that was given to us, I am going to use it here as the login. So let's go back and copy the account number 450-225-341. 450-225-341. So the password that we created, we are going to use it here. So with that, now I am going to click sign in. So you click to sign in. Save your password. So you can see that we have been logged into our Just Global Markets Cent account. If you come to the lower left hand corner, click on it, you can see these are the available instruments that you have, and you can use this plus sign to add. So click on this Forex Pairs to see which of the Forex Pairs are available for you. Anyone that you want, just tap on it, it will be added to your quotes. So you can just keep tapping, it will be added to your quotes. When you click the back button and come to your quotes, you are going to see all the ones you added are available for you here. So I can click and hold this, click the open chart, and it will open the chart for you. And you see that it has nice spreads. The spreads are less. And one good thing about Just Global Markets is that they have no swap fees on all their accounts, and that's a great advantage if you are a swing trader, that you can hold a trade even for 1 year. You are not paying swaps. So this shows us what a cent account on Just Global Market is. If you come under your funds, any amount of money you've deposited will reflect here. Okay, now if you have any other question regarding how to create a cent account on Just Global Markets, and also how to link it to your MT4, and how you can use the lot sizes, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.